HUL share prices this year have undergone a sharp correction. Akshay, they're down about 600 points plus or 22% from the peak of 3,000. What do you make of HUL today? And is it a good time to enter the HUL stock if you don't already have that in your portfolio?
The last couple of months have not been good for the FMCG pack. I think a lot of results have gone against them, and there has been a lot of selling pressure in this particular sector. So, if you look at the price setup of Hindustan Unilever, right now the indications are that this still is not out of the woods. There might be one more low in the making before you can call it any bottom for the stock. So, if I were to look at from a technical parlance, roughly the area of 2250 to 2300 is my rough expectation that this is the level where support would be made in Hindustan Unilever. Right now we are at 2380 odd level, so still maybe 40-50 points more to go, after which you can expect some reversal. So if you have a buy trade, then probably if you're open to averaging, wait a bit for levels near 2300. Stop losses should be below 2200 on any buy bets, and I'm expecting a first leg of downside. After that, some kind of support and recovery can be anticipated.
Okay, so the stock hasn't bottomed out yet. Another 50 points or so correction is expected. That's the word coming in from Akshay. Akshay, tell us about the resistance for this stock. For those who are already invested, what would be a good time to exit the stock? Or should this stock not be exited and held for the long term?
From a long-term perspective, see, things would be different. We are right now looking at a monthly perspective where the resistance area roughly is working out to somewhere around 2450. So maybe if that dip which I speak of does not happen and you have some bit of a recovery before, then 2450, 2470 roughly is the level where you should take an exit if your view is from a 1 to 1.5 month perspective. Long term things would be different because long term the price structure is in a range. It may take a lot of time for the stock to kind of show any rebound or get into a strong uptrend again. So my belief is next 2-3 months are going to be range bound. But if you want to micro time this trade, then probably you need to wait it out for 50-60 points of dip before you take a fresh buy entry.